We have Mertailor tails to open.
Yes.
I am really excited. I am Miss Komori Cosplay, and this is SoulessKitten Cosplay.
We got Mertailor tails during the Black Friday sale, and we got a set that we're really excited to share, and that way we'll eventually be swimming in them together. So we're going live while we're opening them to share in the excitement of the absolute dumb decisions we've made. They're not dumb, not yet.
No. This is Leo, by the way.
And
he's an important part of this video as well. These both came in today. We have no idea what the actual tail in real life looks like. The boxes are still fully sealed up. There's a meme inside stickers.
Let's see if we can figure out how to open this. I guess I'm just going to go for the tape on the edges.
You gotta be really careful with these because it tells you on the box not to use sharp objects because the tail is right there. You could risk cutting it. Oh, there's a meme on the back. Sweet, it's Chuck Norris. But
okay, I won't open my box until you got your tape.
Okay.
I'm not even sure how I'm gonna get the tape on the sides off.
This thing is well taped. I just don't want to risk like sticking a knife or a box cutter in there and like cutting the actual tail inside. That would be one of the worst things I could possibly do tonight on this live.
Okay, got one. Going for you. You got this.
This is like aggressive.
Are you good?
This is how I feel about opening this box.
We've been waiting for good. Almost. Ours came a little bit earlier than the projected date, so we're really lucky. We probably got in really fast when it came down to the sale. I think I was within an hour.
Yeah, like, she tagged me the second the sale went up. Oh, there's another, oh my gosh, there's another meme on the box flap.
Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree, your ornaments are history.
It's a cat. Mine is Rock Around the Christmas Tree, and it's The Rock.
That's heavy.
Oh yeah,
I know.
it's 17 pounds of love.
Oh, come here, sweetie.
Alright.
Oh, I'm loving this. Look at the green.
Mine's very fiery in real life. Let me get it the heck out of the box. Oh my gosh!
Okay.
Wow, I love how you can see the greens in person on yours. Like,
yeah. That's not nearly as visible in the photos. Oh, look at the fins.
oh my god, there's a lot more like orange. There's some purple. There's purple!
Oh,
Purple is my favorite color! Oh.
So the fins that we got are Mertailor's Devil's Den and Moonwolf, which are the exact same design, but one is blue and the other is red. And we got it with the intent of swimming together because we've actually never seen anyone swim with both color versions of the tail before.
Yeah.
And we decided that if no one else is going to do it, we would.
Yes. I've seen like both of these tails independently. Oh.
Okay.
But I've never seen them like together. Oh, this is so beautiful. I don't even know what to do with myself right now.
I'm actually really interested to see what my fin on the inside looks like.
Wait.
What colors did you get for your actual...
Yes. So, something interesting about Mertailor's fantasy fin monofins is that they are all hand-poured silicones. So, you're going to get a different color variation every time you order, even if you get the exact same color. So, I got a variation called Jellyfish Wave. And it's pink and white.
Midnight Abyss, which is black and blue.
Oh, it's so cute! I can't wait to actually swim in this. You can see me, I'm muscling this a bit to pick it up, but it is about 17 pounds, so it's really heavy. But apparently, when you're in the water,
They don't feel like they're that heavy.
Does not feel that heavy. and it'll help keep your feet down. So
you know what? Maybe
you're not
for once
floating
I
to the top.
Right. I am super buoyant, so this is an interesting moment.
I'm just so excited with how floppy these are.
So when do you want to go and swim in these? Like
pretty soon.
Tomorrow?
Oh God.
Wait, what are you talking about? Today?
We live in Florida, so the temperatures are actually pretty warm right now.
Florida doesn't know what winter is.
No, it was winter for like a couple weeks. And
it wasn't even consecutive weeks, it was just like a day.
Yeah, it was like a day.
Oh, I can't wait to swim in this. This is going to be great.
Oh, me neither.
We are upgrading currently from our baby tails to our big adult
girl
tails. Because up until now we've had fin fun. They're very light, mostly just for fun, and these are our first big investments.
Yeah.
Because I'm almost completely sure after seeing this, I'm getting another one eventually.
Oh, same.
I honestly, I did not see all of these greens on the photo on the website.
No, me neither.
But
I didn't see all the purples are ridiculous.
I am just amazed. Look at how much blue is in this, and it's almost like a perfect match to my tail.
That's very you.
It is.
That's a very you aesthetic.
Please don't smack me. I feel like that'll hurt. Here,
sorry.
Let me show you what she looks like in it. Go for it. You were seriously gonna smack me. I love you, but no,
I'm sorry.
Please don't murder me with your fin. You're gonna smack yourself.
I just smacked myself in the eye. So we're at Alexander Springs to do our first swim.